These are all of our stamps. Stamps that do not have a set of dies that coordinate with them. And again, these are all alphabetical as well. So you'll find Christmas and all seasonal ones are mixed in here. Sorry if I'm making you dizzy. There's a couple wood ones in here and they are really priced to sell. There's absolutely nothing wrong with the stamps. They just, Stampin' Up! Moved away from the wood a few years ago. I don't know, I still actually like a wood stamp. It just seems a little bit more solid, and the having the rubber on there too makes a difference. The Lighting the Way does have a set of dies that match. I just never ever had them. There was a set of dies that went with the Thoughtful Expressions as well, but I didn't have those either. This was a celebration one, and there is paper to match. I have a full set of new paper. Okay, that's it for stamps.